We are here in Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic, one of the most picturesque towns in really all of Europe. We're going to show you around. We're at the castle right now. There's gardens, there's a whole complex here. There are bears. I will show you. Český Krumlov is located in the South Bohemian region of the Czech Republic. As of 2021, the town has only around 13,000 residents and is one of the most visited places in the entire country. Český Krumlov has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1992.
Border, there was a barbed wire fence, there were watchdogs, German shepherds with the soldiers. It was really...
The area has a history dating back to the older Stone Age between 70,000 and 50,000 BC, as well as a mass settlement in the Bronze Age around 1500 BC. There have also been Celtic, Iron Age, and Slavic settlements in the area. Český Krumlov is popular because it's one of the few cities that was not destroyed during World War II or modernized. And after the fall of communism in Czechoslovakia in 1989, the historical sites were all restored. The castle at Český Krumlov was founded around the year 1250, and many royal and noble families have called it home over the centuries. The castle complex is one of the largest in Europe, covering around 17 acres. It includes 40 buildings, 5 castle courts, and a park. It may also be one of the few castles in Europe that is more popular for its moat than anything else. That's because the moat is not filled with water, but with bears.
Go.
Those are grizzlies, right?
I think grizzlies are like bigger in the shoulders.
Are they brown?
I think they're.
I thought they were pretty big. Are there more bears over there?
I wouldn't be doing that. Okay. The castle also has a theater built in 1680. It still holds performances today. Český Krumlov Castle is only part of the reason to visit the city. The entire town is so beautiful and historic, and there's so much to see around every corner. The town's current buildings are largely from the Middle Ages, and the old town and castle date back to the 13th through 17th centuries. The city walls are from the early 16th century, with the town gate being built right around 1600. If you find yourself in the Czech Republic, definitely put Český Krumlov on your list. We only had a couple hours to spend there, but I could probably spend 2 or 3 days just because it was so historic and kind of relaxing. It'd be fun to just walk around and explore for a couple days.